Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete account in Wish. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all, to delete your account in Wish, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.wish.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Wish. Now simply tap on your profile icon and then tap on the settings option. So from there, once you have tapped on the settings option, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on account settings. There, if you scroll down to the end, you will find the manage account option. So now simply tap on it and tap on deactivate account if you want to deactivate it. However, tap on permanently delete your account when you need to delete your account. Once you type in your email address, you will get the verification code there. Then simply type in the verification code sent to your email address. Then once you are done, you have to give reasons for why you want to delete your Wish account. So simply type in why you want to delete it, otherwise you can't hit the continue button. So simply type in the reason or simply type in anything you want to say and tap on the continue button, then tap on delete my account. Once you have done this, your account on Wish will be permanently deleted. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.